Two Troublesome Monkeys. Fantasy. Barney and Chi-Chi were monkeys who lived in the rainforest. They were always getting into trouble. They took advantage of the younger monkeys and stole their bananas. They played tricks on the older monkeys. One day, the monkey troop held a meeting. Chief Monkey announced, "We've had enough of you, Barney and Chi-Chi." "What are you implying?" Chi-Chi asked. "I'm not implying anything," Chief Monkey said. "I am saying it clearly. You won't listen to anyone and you are defiant. Go and leave us all in peace." Now Chi-Chi had always wanted to travel. "Great," she said. "I am totally ready." Barney had always had ambition. He wanted to be Chief Monkey someday. He thought he might be able to learn things from people, so he agreed with Chi-Chi. The two of them caught the next train into the city. As soon as they got off the train, they saw a bus marked City Zoo. "Sounds like fun," said Chi-Chi. Once inside the zoo, they caused nothing but trouble. They made faces at the giraffes, jumped on the backs of two fearsome tigers, and teased the bears. Soon, all of the animals in the zoo were upset and started screeching. The zookeeper said, "I revoke all your privileges to visit this zoo. You shouldn't have been allowed inside in the first place. I'm calling the police." By this time, the two monkeys were hungry and ready to leave anyway. Barney spotted a police officer buying a banana at a fruit stand. Chi-Chi grabbed the banana. Barney stole a mango. Then the two monkeys ran off as fast as they could. By then, the police were on full alert. The officers finally caught the monkeys. Not long after, the monkeys found themselves sitting in jail. "Have you noticed how dirty the city air is?" Chi-Chi asked. "Yes," Barney said. "They should purify it." "Have you noticed how small and damp the cell is?" "It's wretched." "It's noisy here too," Chi-Chi remarked. "And the banana I ate wasn't ripe. I think we were better off in the rainforest." "That idea merits further thought," Barney said. At that moment, Chief Monkey appeared outside the jail cell. She said, "I'm here to take you home." "Great!" Chi-Chi and Barney exclaimed together. "There's one condition." "We're glad to negotiate," Chi-Chi said. "We don't really like the city." "Very well," Chief Monkey said. "Then you will cause no more trouble at home. You'll respect both the young and old monkeys." "We promise," the two monkeys said. And so the two monkeys went back to the rainforest. From then on, they were well behaved. In a few years, Chi-Chi, not Barney, became Chief Monkey. She kept perfect order within the troop. She knew how to deal with troublesome monkeys. After all, she had been one herself.